Ang sagagoy. Okay, babe. Buksan ng tape, babe. Kay kanunin natin. I-wiggle. Ayan, babe. Babe, ito. Ayan siya gagawin, mga kaibigan. Oh, malaki na talaga siya. Yes, CJ. Okay, hold on.
It's moving.
Baby. Listen.
Oh, yesterday.
Where's that? Oh my gosh. Hala, kunti na lang, baby. Agi, wiggle lagi, baby. Face mama. Mahirapan tayo, ha? No, you don't do that. Asan na yung upuan mo na? Wait lang, ha? Kuha ko ng upuan mo para you're comfortable. Okay.
I got this sit.
Keep wiggling.
Okay.
Keep wiggle. Wiggle. Okay, be. Tayo.
Sit down. Sit.
Tayo, diya, tayo.
Sit.
I want you to get up. Kaya para maabot natin. Okay. I want you to move a little bit.
I'm going.
Tarong, go ahead, babe. Okay, this is it. Don't, just relax, okay? Relax. Relax. Wow. Just relax. Okay.
Mama,
Relax lang.
The truck.
Ano? Make sure you strong your head, okay?
Mama, the truck.
Okay.
Mama, the truck.
Oh.
Mama.
Hindi. Loose pa, loose. Yes. Truck. Bigoy, kulang pa. Kulang, goy, bi. Excuse me. Tayo ka lang yan. Ganyan talaga yun, goy. Strong your, strong. Huwag kang pa, you have to be strong. Okay? Tigasan mo yan, ha? Okay? Hirap naman. Lit-lit din kasi nangipin mo, goy. Lit-lit din kasi nangipin mo. Okay, ha? Tigasan mo ulo mo. Okay, wait. Goes here. Push. Good job. You did good, honey. You did good. You're tough. You're okay. You have to keep pushing to stop it. Okay? Good job. We did it. Up here, B. Up here. Yay! No, you're not gonna leave it, honey. You're gonna let it stay. The gauze. Ang bilis. Wow. We're gonna keep it and we will put it on your when you're sleeping so Tooth Fairy will get it and Tooth Fairy will give you money.
Okay, then.
Show it to them your teeth. We'll put that in a little container. Show like that. Kahapon lang ito. You gotta push it, honey, to stop it bleeding. Okay, you gotta stop it. You gotta keep pushing it, sweetie. You're not gonna stop it, okay? Push it for me, please. Push it for me. Perfect. Push it hard. Thank you. I told you not to stop, Goy. Para one time, mawala lang yan. Ayan na. Kuha na. Bunot na agad. Dalawang ano lang. Kasi na loose lang. Maliit lang. Okay, now I'm gonna... Yeah, we're gonna put that... Hanap tayo ng lalagyan. Hanap tayo ng lalagyan ko. That's your first tooth. I'm gonna get a little container, okay? So, dito lang muna to. We get a paper. Yan. Bilis lang natin na, nabunot. I put it right here. The tooth fairy will come and get it and give you how much you want for the tooth fairy.
$100.
Wow.
That's right.
That's a lot, Goy. That's a lot. You're tough, Goy. Did you feel it? Busy. Ayan, goes sa basura. Yung mga goods nating nakuha sa basura, naggamit na. O, ayan, ang dami yun. Nakapakiti po yan. Sealed. Ah? Oh, good job. Gone. No more. That's okay. That's normal, honey. Oh, no more. Yeah, wala na. Be, push. That's gonna go away. Okay. Keep this in your bag. Keep that in your bag. Then when it's gonna bleed, then we're gonna go. You're gonna put it. Okay, let's go. Let's go to school na. You gotta show that to your, teacher. Okay? Get your bag. CJ, turn off the light. Turn off the light, please. Turn off all the lights. Excited na siya to show all her classmates, her friends. Wow. Oops.
I lick my teeth.
CJ, shoes on.
CJ! 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 Oh, Ocean. Ocean. Yeah, Ocean. You know, my tooth is lost.
I know, you don't have a teeth now. Para ka ng Goy. Malaki na talaga siya. Ano na siya? Wala na siyang ipin. Ale, go, CJ! CJ? CJ? CJ, dito. Dito lingkod, upo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Masa magsuot ka crown? Magsuot ng crown? Oh. Ayan. Back on the grind na si Agoy at CJ. Wow, you're gonna show your friends. Okay, let's go. All right, let's go na. Where Riley is leaving. Come on.
That's Friend's mom.
Huh? Okay, come on. Goy! Hello mga kaibigan. Goy, ali, hi! Ang kapitbahay namin. Wala na pala si Riley. Goy, umalis na. Umalis na yung nanay niya. Oh, let's go. Para ditong umuulan. Ay, naku, ano sa panahon dito, eh. Sige na dong. Si Agoy conscious siya sa kanyang walang ipin. Wow, you're a big girl na talaga, nak. Wala ka ng ipin. Get up. 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 Hatid natin si Kisha na muna. Sige na. Okay. Oops. Yeah, sit properly. You wanna see the tooth fairy also, CJ?
Oh, no.
You wanna see the tooth fairy and you're gonna ask some...
Oh, no.
You're gonna see an airplane?
Yeah?
I know, you see an airplane. Baby, move a little. Yes, that's
I
right.
want to do mine $100.
Big. Oh.
I like,
Ang laki ng hiningi ni Agoy sa tooth fairy niya. Ganyan mga kaibigan para ma-feel. Okay.
Okay. Mom, see the purple in these windows.
Oh no!
In my window though.
Oh. Be show your teeth, be.
Yeah. Closer. Up the window. Up the window.
Okay, open the window. Hold on.
Please open the window, please. Open my window, please.
Seatbelt ka na, Nat.
Can you put the movie music on? Can you?
Okay. Big girl na si
Can
Agoy-Agoy.
you put the movie
Ayan, oh.
music on?
Pangit ang panahon ngayon dito. Hala. Grabe, uy. Lagi na lang umuulan. Nang walang katapusan. Lagi na lang. Walang init, walang araw. Hala. Pangit ng panahon dito. Hala, Goy, oy. Hindi ka man hindi ka man umiyak, Goy. Oy, kala ko iyak ka, Goy. Kala ko iyak si Agoy-Agoy mga kaibigan na tinanggal ang kanyang ipin. Ganon talaga pang one time na hila. Very good kay Kagoy ay. I'm so proud of you, Agoy-Agoy. You're so tough. Guy, you're so tough. You don't even have a tears. Sabi ko, okay na siguro to. Kahapon yun siya mga kaibigan. Kahapon, nagsimula na. Sabi ko, sige, lagi mong ginaganito. Ginaganito ko din. Mabilis. Ginaganon, left and right, back and forth ba para mabilis siyang lumambot ba. Lumambot. Kaya, ayun nga, sabi ko, angay mamayang umaga, bunutin ko yan. Kagabi sana, pero hindi masyado kagabi eh. Sabi ko, sige, bunutin, bilis. Ayan, saan punta nyo po? Dalhin na namin sila sa kanilang, uy, isara na natin ang, dito na dito na tayo sa BC Street, Goy. Dalhin na natin sila sa school. Back to, na sila. Pasok na sila. Pasok na sila, mga kaibigan. Hindi maganda yung panahon dito ngayon. Makulimlim. Ayun, ihati natin si Krishana sa kanyang paaralan na napaka-strict doon, hindi tayo hindi gaya dyan sa atin na makapasok ka sa, hindi pwede makapasok na tingnan mo sila doon sa kanilang silid-aralan, sa loob, hindi pwede.
Extra bus!
Yeah, ang daming school bus nga.
Extra bus!
Isa pa, oh.
Extra bus!
Yeah, isa pang school bus, oh.
Not my school.
Ayun. Doon. Hindi gaya dyan sa atin at saka sa ibang school ba, hindi din ganun. Yung iba, makapunta sila sa kanilang sa loob. So dito, hindi. Malayo ka. Doon ka lang. Makapasok ka, pero doon ka lang hanggang sa may entrance lang. Kasi sinubukan kong sinubukan kong papasok doon kasi minsan kinukuha ko si Krishana ba. Sabi ko, kunin ko siya doon sa minsan nasa cafeteria sila. Hindi ka rin makapunta doon. Napaka strict. Maganda din yan mga kaibigan para lahat lang mga estudyante lang sa loob. Walang ni sino mang ibang mga strangers doon ba. So, kung kailangan mo sila, kung kailangan mo pipick upin sila, sila mismo ang lalabas. Lalabas sila. Maghihintay ka lang sa entrance. Mayroong papasok ka na, doon ka lang. Doon ka lang. Hindi ka na, doon ka lang. Don't go beyond this point na. Pero sila CJ, makapasok kami. kasi hinahatid namin sila sa loob. Pero dalawa din yung pintuan, pero mayroon po kaming sariling susi, no? Kung wala kang susi, hindi ka makapasok. Meron ka na lahat, Goy? Check mo nga yung ano mo, Goy. Ipin mo, Goy. Baka nag-ano. Pero hindi, one time lang naman yan check nga natin, be, Goy.
What?
Oh. Okay. Makulimlim ang panahon ngayon. Drive-thru lang to si Krishana. Drive-thru lang.
Yeah.
Naglilinya. Linya lahat. Simula na naman ang taas na linya. Nagpipila. Ayan, hanggang doon pa ito mga kaibigan. Pwede naman masyado. Hindi naman masyadong matatagalan ka dito. Di ba, Goy? Get yourself, ready diha.
Not there.
Nilagay mo ba yung gauze sa bag mo?
What?
Yung gauze na bigay ko para sa ngipin mo?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Missy, ilagay mo sa bulsa.
Yeah.
Gagamitin mo yan ha kung may lalabas. Okay?
Okay.
You give it to your teacher.
Numbers. Apa siya? I'm that. Apa.
Go, you're not gonna, wag mong hawak-hawakan yan ha. Kishana, you're not gonna touch that, okay? Wag mong hawak-hawakan, okay? We don't want germs going in there. You have to make sure when you touch it, you have a clean hands. What did I say, Goy?
Before you touch it, you need clean hands.
Okay, thank you. You're not gonna irritate, ha? Okay. Okay? Goy, wag mong ganyan-ganyanin, ha? Okay? Wag talaga. Kailangan natin laging i-remind yan kay mahirap na baka magka-bacteria ma-infected.
The chicken, the dad's brother's name is James.
James? Okay.
Yeah, James. You know him?
I know James.
He's a neighbor.
Bus
12!
Where?
Right there. It's past it.
Oh, I didn't see it.
It's 12. Sana, school bus.
School bus. Another school bus. Dito na tayo. Pasok na tayo.
Yeah, that's a school bus already.
I didn't see the bus.
That school bus is here years.
You ready na?
Yep.
Okay.
That school bus here in years.
Okay.
So a lot of years.
Oh.
Not a lot of years. So, God. School bus? Yes, school bus. show us. The school bus. Sana, show us. The school bus. Yeah.
Wala, na-traffic, Goy.
That's
Wait lang, Goy, ha, kay parang...
Oh, no.
Handa pa naman siya, oh. Ready na, oh. Ready to exit. Wow, big girl na si ate. She's very proud of her teeth. She like to see her teeth.
Watch. Let's just
Dito lang natin siya i-drop. Ang dami na dyan mga kaibigan naglalakad sa gilid.
No, that.
Ayun.
Sana. Give me that. Nice. Flowers.
Oh my gosh. You're in the end.
No.
You're in the very... Oh, mayroong sheriff. Give me a hug, guy.
Sana.
I love you. Have fun today.
Thank you.
Okay. Morning. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay. Ayan. Dan, 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 dan. Dan, 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 dan. CJ, you okay? Minsan mga kaibigan, si CJ gusto niya sumama. May ano doon, may police car. Lagi yan po. Dalawa yan sila. May nagbabantay talaga. Lahat pong school ata dito mayroon. Mga kaibigan, hatin na natin siya. Ganoon lang po kadali. Pero pag gusto mong mayroon kang mga importanteng pakay sa loob, doon sa opisina ka diretso. So, lahat ata na paralan dito, mayroon atang mga police ata na nagbabantay. So pagtapos na ang tawag dito, pagtapos na ang hatid, pick up, alis na ata yan sila. Kasi nakasitol na sa loob. O sige, si CJ na naman ang aking i-drop. CJ boy. Pwede naman itong malakad. Malakad or mabike-bike. Paglaki niya agoy mag-bike-bike na siya. O sige, thank you po. Bye-bye muna ha. Ayan, drive muna tayo. Malapit lang naman si CJ. Malapit lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.